about 60 volunteers come and do this. And when you think about what that means about a caring community and organizing that caring power of a community, that's magic. It's more special when volunteers take of their time and their energy and their effort to come together because they care and love their community.
The goal is to make sure that children have access to engagement and activities, specifically interactions, high quality interactions with caring adults. So truly the Born Learning Trail is a tool to enable interactions that will be as easy for families as a walk in the park.